Stretching is the sports equivalent of flossing. No kid likes to do it, but if they don't, they'll regret it when they're your age. That's probably because they're used to static stretches, so make them more dynamic, literally. Dynamic stretches use the body's full range of motion, often mimicking the activity you're about to do, so they feel less like homework and more like play. Here's what to do. Pair off players and give each pair a ball. Stretch number 1. Players take turns holding the ball while the other taps either side with their feet. First the instep, then the outside of the foot. Stretch number 2. Little drop kicks back and forth with hops in between each kick to get the blood flowing and the heart rate up. And stretch number 3. Running just up to the ball and giving it a teeny tiny nudge. Barely a touch, back and forth. A few short minutes up front, and their muscles will thank you.